Welcome to NxtEdge. To kick off your setup, we need 3 critical pieces of information from you: vendor list, vendor order guides and/or invoices, and a product list. In the last video we covered adding vendors into the portal and what we need from you for this. Now we are going to cover the product list. This list forms the foundation of your database and determines how well your inventory, reports, and vendor connections work. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through how to complete your product list and share best practices that will save you time and ensure accurate reporting. Let's start with what is the product list. This is a list of the products that you stock on your shelves. It is not the name the vendor calls it, and it should have one product per type of item. So if you have black pepper and you buy it in multiple pack and sizes, we do not want to address the different pack and sizes on the product list. For the product list it will be black pepper and the unit of measure will be the lowest common denominator. Now let's address naming conventions of your product list. Use clear, recognizable product names. This should be what your staff would say out loud when requesting the item. For example, ketchup number 10 can is better than ketchup fancy Heinz number 10 can. Only include a brand name if it's essential, like Mayo Hellmann's if that's the only brand used. If you have similar items, keep them grouped using a consistent naming style. For example, ketchup number 10 can, ketchup Volpack, and ketchup PC ensures all ketchup items stay together in your system. Next, let's talk about categories. Use clear and broad category names to make reporting easier. Common examples include dairy, produce, meat, poultry, dry goods, liquor, beer, wine, and paper goods. If you're tracking both food and bar items, start the category name with food or bar to keep sections distinct. For example, food-dairy or bar-wine. Remember, categories are listed alphabetically in reports, so name them with that in mind. Now, let's cover units of measure. Avoid generic units like each or case. Instead, be specific. Use gallons, quarts, fluid ounces, pounds, or 750 milliliters, whatever best represents how the item is tracked. For packaged items, list the full count in unit, like 2000 count or 50 count. If the item is priced by weight, use pound as the unit. Now for sequence. The way you organize your product list affects how it will appear in NxtEdge. You can organize it by shelf to sheet to match your storage layout, alphabetically by category, or by frequency of use. Choose whichever layout works best for your team and confirm it with us before import. The last needed information is price. This is only if you will be using the inventory portion of our software. The price should match the unit of measure. So if the unit of measure is gallon, the price should be for the gallon, not the price for the case. This price will be used for the first inventory if the product has not been purchased. To recap, your product list should include clear names, useful categories, accurate units of measure, and a thoughtful sequence. Use the template in your welcome email, and once it's ready, upload it through the client portal. We'll review it with you before importing it into your account. If you have questions, schedule a setup call using the link in your email. Thanks for choosing NxtEdge. We look forward to getting you up and running.